I actually did my eyeliner good for once. Action. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you like this makeup look, you're definitely gonna wanna watch this video. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup. If you wanna see me look literally horrible, keep watching and you will see me in the beginning of the video and I look pale. Anyways, enough talking about that, but let's get on with my everyday makeup look. The first step to my makeup is I add primer. And the primer I'm going to be using is called Optical Illusion by Urban Decay, and it is a complexion primer. I have actually never used this before. I usually use e.l.f., but I ran out, and my mom told me that this is a really good one, so she got it for me while we were at Ulta. Go ahead and open it and put on some primer. So I usually just put it on my finger. Okay, so I'm done putting on my primer, and this actually makes your face feel really smooth and literally feels like there's nothing on. I know that e.l.f. it made my face feel really heavy. It wasn't as smooth as this. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Foundation. And I actually got this brand before summer, but I can't remember if it was either too light or too dark. It was one of the two and I never used it, and I actually took it back. And then I just started using my other foundation that I really liked. So now I'm going to try it again. And I'm in the shade 1.0 because sis is pale. So I finished with my foundation and it actually looks a lot better now that I blended it in a lot more. I sat here for a little bit and tried to blend it in as much as possible so it's not so dark. And it does look better. I'm not pale anymore. Yay! But the next thing I use is powder. So for my powder, I'm going to be using the All Nighter Longwear Mattifying Weightless Waterproof Setting Powder. Here it is. What the cool thing about this is it looks like there's like raindrops on it for waterproof. This is the color. And then I'm going to be taking my powder brush, which is an e.l.f. Total Face Brush. And now I'm just going to put that all over my face. Obviously it's powder. Where else would you put it? Here is me after I put on the powder. So far my makeup is looking pretty good with the Urban Decay stuff. The next step is blush and bronzer. So for my blush and bronzer, I use the Ellen Tracy Radiant Complexion. I use this one and then obviously that blush. I don't really use that one much. I don't know why, I don't think I've ever used it. And trust me, it does not look this dark when I'm done with it. I blend it all in, so. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. face brush again, and I usually just blend it together. For my brows, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. lash and brow brush. I don't really use this for my lashes, I only use it for my eyebrows. here are my eyebrows. They are completely finished. The next step is eyeshadow. Literally my favorite step of my whole entire makeup. I love doing my eyeshadow. If you guys have seen my Instagram post, you can see that I've done an Avengers eye look with actually this palette. This is the Avengers palette, and that's the palette I use every single day. And I also did a rainbow look with my Stranger Things palette. And I love doing my eyeshadows so much. It just is so much fun to play around with and try new looks. And the colors that I'm going to be using are Game Changer, Last Shot, and I've Got This. Also, I do want to tell you guys to make sure that you look out for another makeup video that is going to come soon. It is going to be a makeup look with my James Charles palette, and I'm just going to go crazy and just put a bunch of different colors on my eyes and see if it works out. So since you guys cannot comment here, go to my Instagram, and on one of my pictures, I'm not really sure which one it's going to be, but just on the most recent one, comment whether you want it to be a sunset makeup look or a fall makeup look. Let me know, because I have those two in mind and I kind of know what I could do for both of them, but I don't know which one to do first, so let me know. So there is my eye look. That is all I do. So for my eyeliner, I am going to be using the Tartist by Tarte. On the side, it's a black liquid liner, and then on the other side, it is a bronze gel. And I never really use the bronze gel. I don't know, maybe I should start using it more, honestly. I just don't. But I'm going to be using the black liquid liner, and I don't do a wing because I cannot do a wing to save my life. I need to start practicing though, so I can start doing them on my eyes because they just look so pretty. And I love watching people do wings, and like their makeup looks so good when they have it. Okay, I think I did it pretty even. Oh my gosh, I actually did my eyeliner good for once. So now it's time for the next step, which is mascara, my favorite. And the mascara I'm going to be using is Voluminous Superstar Red Carpet Black. My mascara is now done, and I love putting on mascara because it just makes my eyelashes look so much better and not as small. So I zoomed back out because the next part is putting on some setting spray. And I'm going to be using the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. So for me during the day, my face gets super, super, super oily and I hate it because I have to always do this to my face. The directions say to spray your face 2 to 4 times. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna spray it one more time. So now the very last step I like to do for my everyday makeup routine is I'll either use a lipstick or a chapstick. Today I'm going to do both. I'm going to take my Burt's Bees Strawberry Chapstick. And I usually do that before I put on my actual lipstick because my lips have been really dry lately. So here we go. This is my everyday makeup look. Here's how I look after I put on my makeup. You guys probably already know because you see me every day with makeup on. But in case you are new and you haven't, that is all for today's video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!